now on the Do-It-Yourself Gourmet, we're going to barbecue hot dogs. And as you can see, there's a little bit of a trick up ahead. What you're going to do is boil those dogs for just a little bit to get them hot, just enough to get it going. Turn that off, and then get it over onto the grill, which is already preheated to high or however charred and toasty you might like your hot dogs. Go ahead and get them on that grill, let them sizzle and shake and get to going. And once you get them laid out, you're going to let them cook until they're as crispy as you like them. But the key is to get them hydrated with that water ahead of time, because if you don't get them hydrated, well, they got nothing to lose except the oil and moisture that's already in there. And that isn't much to start, especially with these hot dogs. These hot dogs are beef hot dogs, and usually they don't have a lot of water content. So if you're using a premium hot dog like beef, you're definitely going to want to boil them ahead. Not too much, mind you, because you don't want them to lose all the flavor, but just enough so that when you put them on that grill, they are going to take to those wires like nothing else, and that's going to impart it right on the skin of those dogs, and they're going to get crisped up and good to eat and ready for your barbecue. So don't be fooled. Do it right. Don't just throw them on that barbecue no matter what kind of hot dog it is. And if it's a plump hot dog, it'll make it even better. So you want to make sure that you throw it in that water ahead of time. And you do it just enough. You simmer it up, you let that water bubble a little, and there you go. Check it out as you roll them. That hot dog is crisp. You can get them as crisp as you like them. You can make them with grill marks if you prefer. But make sure, in the end, that when you start, you have boiled them in the water, so that way they pick up that hydration. Do-It-Yourself Gourmet, everybody. Happy summer. Enjoy. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.